Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide the keyboard on your iPhone. So if you're typing in apps like Messages, Notes, Safari, or Instagram and you can't figure out how to get rid of the keyboard, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, here's something important to understand. If you're coming from Android, you might be used to a button that hides the keyboard instantly, but on iPhone there usually isn't a dedicated hide button, so you need to use gestures instead. In most apps with scrollable screens like Messages, Mail, or Notes, you can hide the keyboard by swiping it down. But here's the trick. The swipe has to be done in the right area. If you swipe too high on the screen, you'll just scroll your messages or notes and the keyboard will stay open. And if you swipe too low, the phone will think you're trying to type again. So the sweet spot is right above the keyboard, around the text input area. If you swipe down from there, the keyboard smoothly slides away. Let's take Notes as another example. If you swipe in the wrong place, you'll either scroll the note or bring the keyboard back up. But if you hit that correct area just above the keyboard, it disappears instantly. Now, some apps make this even easier. For example, in Instagram, when you're typing in the search bar, the keyboard will automatically disappear when you tap on a result or another part of the app. And if you want it back, just tap the search field again. In many apps, you can also hide the keyboard using the built-in actions, like the Done button, the Return key, or even tapping an icon like Search. Once you do that, the keyboard goes away and you get a full screen view again. And in Safari, it works a similar way. When you tap the address bar, the keyboard pops up. To close it, you can either tap the X to cancel or press Return after typing your search and the keyboard will disappear so you can browse normally. So overall, it really depends on the app you're using, but once you learn the right swipe and buttons, it becomes super easy. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to hide the keyboard on your iPhone like a pro. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.